A very good morning to all of you. Today we will start this exercise, do and learn, because I gave it in your homework, but many of you did not submitted this yet, so that's why we will discuss it again. The first question is add or subtract with conversion. So this is basically depend on conversion method and without conversion method. And the first question is based on conversion method. The first question is add or subtract with conversion, means we have to firstly convert this in smaller unit and then add it. So see the first question. The first question is you have to add 7 liter 350 milliliter plus 5 liter and 475 milliliter. So first of all we convert it in a smaller unit. 7 liter 355 milliliter. So after conversion it is 7000 milliliter plus 350 milliliter. Why 7000 milliliter? Because we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That's why 7 liter is equal to 7000 milliliter. After this we add this 7350 milliliter. We got this. Okay. After this 5 liter, we have to convert 5 liter 475 milliliters in smaller unit. So 5 liter 475 milliliter is equal to 5000 milliliter plus 475 milliliter. When we add this we got 5475 milliliter. According to the question we have to add these two units. So add this 7350 milliliter plus 5475 milliliter, and we got 5, 7 and 5 12, carry 1, 4 and 3 7 and 1 8, 7 and 5 12. We got 12,825 milliliter. So after this we will convert it again in basic units, means liter and milliliter. So we can write it as 12,000 milliliter plus 825 milliliters. We can write 12,000 as 12 liters plus 825 milliliter. So the final answer is 12 liter 825 milliliter. That's the answer. The next is also a question of addition, so you can solve it by yourself. We discuss the third question. The third part is of subtraction. We have to subtract 47 liters 450 milliliters from 52 liters and 980 milliliters. So let's see the question. Part C. 52 liter 980 milliliter minus 47 liter 450 milliliter. So first of all we convert 52 liters and 980 milliliters into milliliters. 52 liters 980 milliliters is equal to 52,000 liter plus 980 milliliter. Add this, so we got it is milliliter. We got 52,980 milliliter. After this we convert 47 liter and 450 milliliter. It is 47,000 milliliter plus 450 milliliter. So we got the answer 47,450 milliliter. In this question we have to subtract. So let's subtract 52,980 milliliter minus 47,450 milliliter. We got 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 12 minus 7, 5. This is carry 1 and it is 0. So we got 5,530 milliliter. For 5,530 milliliters, we can write 5 liter 530 milliliter, and that's our answer. The next question is add or subtract without conversion. In this method, we need not to convert it in a smaller unit. We just directly solve it, directly add or subtract. So the first question is, first part of question 2 is we have to add 7 liter 250 milliliter and 2 liter 430 milliliter. So it is 0, 5 and 3, 8, 4 and 2, 6, 7 and 2, 9. So we got 9 liter 680 milliliters. After this, the second question is also of addition. Then the next one is part C is of subtraction. So let's see the part C. In this question, we have to subtract 39 liter 450 milliliters from 75 liters 998 milliliters. So it is 8, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 4, 5, 15 minus 9, 6, carry 1, 7 minus 4, 3. So we got 36 liter and 548 milliliter. Need not to write this again because we write it here and it denotes for all these terms. The next question is container A has 60 liters 300 milliliters of water. Container B has 25 liter 250 milliliters less water than container A, and container C has 5 liter more water than container B. How much water is there in container C? So let's see this. Question number 3. First of all, capacity of container A is equal to 60 liter 300 milliliter. After this, capacity of container B. So we can see that container B has 25 liters and 450 milliliters less water than container A. It means we subtract 25 liter and 250 milliliter from it and got 50 milliliters and 10 minus 5, 5, carry 1, 6 minus 3, 3. Means capacity of B is, capacity of container B is 35 liter and 50 milliliters. After this, capacity of container C is, so capacity of container C has 5 liter more water than container B. It means we add 5 liter in container B's capacity. So add 5 liter, it means its capacity is 40 liter and 50 milliliters. And we have to find the capacity of container C. So we can write here that capacity of container C is 40 liter and 50 milliliter. That's our answer. After this, Question number 4. A container is half filled with water. The water from this container is poured into two measuring cylinders. What is the capacity of the container? So we had discussed it earlier that capacity means the complete quantity which is filled in any kind of container. It means when this half filled container is converted into to this small cylinders, we find its capacity through this measurement. So first of all, the capacity of larger cylinder is equal to 100 ml and capacity of half full cylinder actually it's not a capacity, it's measurement, because capacity is 100 milliliter but it is half filled, so we can say that measurement of half filled cylinder is equal to 50 ml. Then the total amount is 100 plus 50, 150 ml, but the container is half filled, so the capacity of container is equal to 2 multiply 150 milliliter. Why we multiplied it by 2? Because it is half filled, so for complete capacity, for finding complete capacity, we multiplied it by 2, so it is 300 milliliter, means the capacity of container is 300 milliliter, and that's our answer. So I hope the topic, and that's all for today. Okay, do your homework by yourself after seeing this video. Okay, so thank you class, thank you everyone.